Hello and welcome to VTC's course on Ubuntu Linux. My name is Chess Griffin. In this tutorial, we'll begin an introduction to the productivity applications available in Ubuntu Linux, most notably the OpenOffice.org Office Suite and the Evolution email client. Now, the OpenOffice.org Office Suite is an incredibly amazing project. It is a large, free Office suite comparable to Microsoft Office, and it is available in multiple operating systems, most notably Windows, Linux, and there is a version for Macintosh OS X, although I think that version is a little bit behind the others. But there are free versions available for Windows and Linux. And OpenOffice, or OpenOffice.org, does have several components just like Microsoft Office. It has a presentation type program similar to PowerPoint called Impress. It has Math, Draw, Calc, which is a spreadsheet like Excel, Base, which is a database program like Access, and Writer, which is a word processor like Microsoft Word. Now, OpenOffice does come with Ubuntu Linux, and it is actively developed. It was originally StarOffice, provided by or sold by Sun Microsystems. Sun Microsystems still sells StarOffice, but several years ago, in the early years of 2001, more or less, the Sun Microsystems open sourced the Office suite and created OpenOffice, a community-run project. And StarOffice is still based on OpenOffice, but StarOffice combines some additional templates and some paid support and some other things that one can get with the paid version of StarOffice instead of the free OpenOffice.org. But OpenOffice.org is an office suite that's being used by governments and educational institutions and businesses by the thousands all around the world. It does have excellent document import abilities. In other words, it does have the ability to import Microsoft Word, WordPerfect, Microsoft Excel documents. No import tool is going to be 100% because, unfortunately, those document formats in Word and Excel and PowerPoint and the like, those are proprietary, and Microsoft does not release the specifications for those document formats to anybody else. So it's somewhat of a matter of reverse engineering. But OpenOffice.org, I would argue, has a 95+% success rate in converting Microsoft Word and Excel documents. The basic functionality is easy to convert. It's only when those documents get incredibly complex with incredibly complex Microsoft Word or Excel formatting that there are occasional snags. But for the vast majority of users and the vast majority of the time, OpenOffice.org does an excellent job of importing Microsoft documents. So OpenOffice.org, the various components are found in the Ubuntu Applications menu under Office. By default, Ubuntu Linux includes the database program, the presentation program, the spreadsheet, and the word processor. The other productivity application that comes with Ubuntu Linux is one called Evolution, which can be found here in the Office submenu as well as the Internet submenu. And there's also an icon to Evolution in the menu bar. Evolution is a full-featured email client, very similar to Microsoft Outlook in the sense that it has an email client, a calendar, tasks, to-do lists, and things like that Microsoft Outlook has. Evolution also has the ability to connect to Microsoft Exchange Server, and that ability is very good. It's similar to the importation of Word documents. It's not going to be 100%, but it's probably 95%, and it works very well most of the time. And it is an easy way for Linux users to still connect to an Office's back-end server that may be running Exchange. So that is a very brief overview of the productivity applications that come with Ubuntu Linux. As with other things, there are many other applications in the productivity area. For example, there is an application similar to Microsoft Visio that allows one to create charts and flow charts and diagrams and that sort of thing. There are several financial type of applications in addition to the OpenOffice.org spreadsheet. There's accounting type programs and many other productivity applications that are available for free download using the Synaptic Package Manager. But OpenOffice.org and Evolution are the two productivity applications that come with Ubuntu Linux, and we'll be taking a look at those in more detail in another tutorial. But for now, that's the end of this tutorial. Thank you very much.